How to add Google Analytics in WordPress. Step-by-step guide. Learn digital marketing with Digital Pollen. As a digital marketer, it's critical to track website insights. One of the easiest ways of obtaining website statistics is through Google Analytics. In this video, I will show you how to set up Google Analytics on your WordPress site. By following this step-by-step guide, you can get a detailed overview of your website's traffic, audience demographics, and behavior. Welcome back. In today's video, we'll take a look at adding Google Analytics to your WordPress website. Google Analytics is a great tool for tracking website traffic and understanding what your visitors are doing on your site. Let's dive into the tutorial. First and foremost, you need a Google Analytics account to track your website's metrics. This is simple to create. Go to analytics.google.com to get started and sign up with your Google account. Once you've set up your account, you'll be provided with a tracking code to add to your website header. The following step is to add the tracking code to your WordPress website. There are a lot of plugins available in the WordPress repository to accomplish this, but I recommend using either Google Analytics Dashboard for WP or Monster Insights. I'll show you how to install Monster Insights, which simplifies the process. Now, log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Monster Insights settings. Click on the Authenticate with your Google account link and select the profile you just created. Enter your access code to authenticate your account. You can now track website statistics on the Monster Insights dashboard. Now comes the exciting part. You can track your website's metrics right from your WordPress dashboard. You can monitor how many people are visiting your website, their geography, demographics, and behavior. This data can be beneficial in creating a tailored strategy to engage your users better. That concludes today's video on how to set up Google Analytics on your WordPress website. By using this tool, you can have a better understanding of how visitors are using your site, which, in turn, can assist you in developing better marketing strategies for your business. Don't hesitate to check out our other videos. For more videos, subscribe to my channel.